At the 2026 Winter Olympics, the men's two-man bobsleigh competition delivered speed, precision, and high drama. Flying the flag for Jamaica, Shane Pitter and Junior Harris took on one of the world's most demanding sledding tracks with pride and determination. In Heat 1, the Jamaican sled opened their campaign with a solid and controlled run, stopping the clock at 56.68 seconds. That effort placed them 22nd overall, keeping them firmly in the hunt as the competition unfolded. Consistency followed in Heat 2. Pitter and Harris posted a time of 56.72 seconds, maintaining composure through the technical sections of the track. After 2 heats, Jamaica stood 23rd overall, still within striking distance of advancement. Then came Heat 3, Jamaica's strongest performance of the competition. Attacking the course with confidence and precision, the sled surged to a time of 55.97 seconds, their fastest run yet. That effort earned them a 17th place finish in the heat, a major statement against the world's best. When the combined times were tallied, Jamaica finished 22nd overall. Just outside the cutoff, the result meant they did not qualify for the final Heat 4, bringing their Olympic competition to a close. While their Olympic run ends here, the performance of Pitter and Harris tells a bigger story, one of progress, resilience, and belief. From a season-best Heat 3 to holding their own on the sport's biggest stage, Jamaica once again proved that heart and determination belong in bobsled, no matter the flag on the sled. From the Caribbean to the Alps, the journey continues. Like, share, and subscribe for the 4Men team next.